Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. If you're here with me in the YouTube, Discord, Kick, or X chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us this morning. We have Ripsmod, Go Time, Ray Williams, Cranberry, Mass Rick, AG, Marty, Bear Goes Long, Psychic Bacon, Zona Matt, TW, Hockey Shane, J Prowse, SW, Rule 1 Investor, Prime Cat, Vibe Trade, Yama, Savvy Scalper, D Dawkins, Dexter, NC. Good morning. What's up, Big Hal? Robinho, Rom, Rich, McGruff, good morning. What's cracking, baby? I just got silver on the screen. I don't have any trades on in silver, but it is just insane. $91. I remember when we were trading this at 70s and 80s. That was crazy. That is crazy. Tariff day today. Is it? Is it actually? I don't see anything about that. Tell me, what is tariff day? What in the world is tariff day? The NASDAQ is coming down. 10 a.m. Supreme Court decision on tariffs? What? No way. Why doesn't that come up in my schedule? Where are you guys seeing this? Huh? Yeah, possibly. I see it as a possibility, not as like a certainty. Supreme. Huh. Interesting. Well, that'd be cool if it happened. That'd be pretty dope. We do have PPI coming out this morning. That's, I think, going to be the most important thing today. PPI, but it's from October and November of last year. That's the only thing. Last night the market did roll though. We made these two peaks and then rolled right over. We have the Asian session, the London session that's currently going on. Yeah, I thought y'all were saying it's definitive today. That would have been some. Cash Gary is talking right now. We are making new lows. Kind of do want to put on a trade in these Lucid accounts that don't have any kind of trailing drawdown. Maybe like a stop above. We might just wait. When are we getting the rips levels? There should be, Kickbot should have said it already. Where is it? Kickbot didn't say it yet. Maybe Ripsmod will. Hey, there you go. Look at that. Ripsmod will hook you up. Look at that. Can you believe it? Isn't that amazing? You can get what I have on my screen. Look at this. Bang. You can get it yourself. Just click that little rocket right here. But look at this. Bang. You can get all the same levels, everything. Bang. Isn't that awesome? For free. For free. Is Ripsmod AI? It'd be the most advanced AI ever. I've never met Ripsmod in person, but you know, maybe they're an advanced AI. You just never know. Silver's going bonkers. Gold's going bonkers. Yeah, I mean they've been going bonkers. They pulled back though since the open. This is silver above my head. So I'm using Lucid, Apex, and Tradeify. I'm using Lucid, Apex, Tradeify, TPT. We got the quadricep of pain. We got 4 props. This is a fun challenge for me, but it is so much different than trading a real account. It is so much different. 100% different. But I feel like it's going to be a fun challenge to do. Yeah, dude, silver is at all-time highs, gunning for 100. I think when it's like trading, if it ever trades up to like 125, we're gonna be like, oh, you remember when silver was $91? Do you remember the time when we fell in love? I know Top Step accounts. I traded Top Step for 2 years, homie. I already did all that. I done did that. Gold was good on the initial 6 hours of Asia. I mean, gold and silver, if you just bought during Globex Open and held, you're up a bundle. Do you think a huge sell-off at 100 on silver? Maybe. Could be a sell-off at 91, 92, 95, 98. Who knows? Is Rips offline? I am. I can't see anything you're typing either. Got stuck in an MGC trade the other night on my Lucid Flex, 150K funded. I thought I lost it all when I was a couple of days away from payout. Lucid did the right thing and wiped the day due to the issues on MGC on Trader. Let's go. Yeehaw. Remember watching you on there, they're missing out not having you anymore? It's fine. I'm not really a person who wants to go on shows all that often. I do it when I can, but I'm a busy man. I like doing my stream. It's more fun. Love doing my stream. Let's get those likes up early in YouTube. We got almost 200 people watching on YouTube. Get those likes up early. Just get it done. Click the like button. All these guys scalping 5 points on the NQ thinking it will work on a live account are dumb. It's just a different game. It's a completely different game. I think, you know, once you build up a strong buffer in your accounts, it becomes more like trading, but on the onset, it's like, it kind of resembles trading, you know? It's different. It's very different than trading a live account. Like, my trades range in my live account, where some trades I'll be holding for 30 seconds, some trades I'll be holding for 3 minutes, some trades I'll be holding for 20 plus minutes. There's not like, you can't be like, oh, in my prop firm account, I can do a mix of all of those. Well, it depends, right? What is the type of prop firm you're using? Are you in the evaluation stage? Are you in the funded stage? It's all very different, you know? It's not just like cut and dry. So you have to like pick a firm that follows like the same type of trades that you want to take and the rules and all that. It's all just, it's very different. It's extremely different. It's great we have someone like you to tell us to do trade or not to trade live until they have 8 to 12 months consistent profitability. It is the buffer that is hard to get, takes one bad day to end up starting from scratch. Yeah, I'm just trying to, like, obviously I'm trading all props right now on the stream. Yesterday was a phenomenally bad day. At least on stream, right? Horrible, horrible day on stream. All of my trades were pretty dog shit, if we're being honest. I'm still learning I gotta relearn how to trade props, and that's fine, right? I made a tremendous amount of money last year trading my live account on stream, but it was completely unrelatable for most people, and there was less education. Yesterday, I think I was like very, very scalpy. It's weird, like reframing your mindset and everything is a very difficult thing to go from trading a massive size live account to trading within these parameters. And I think I need to get it out of my head of like trying to, I don't need to make so much money in a single day. I just need to like draw out the process much longer, right? So like the Tradeify accounts, I think we're up like $600 or $700. I don't need to go for more. I don't need to get all scalpy and crazy. It's gonna take time though. And I'm excited to do it together, you know? You're remembering the difference between trading a clean book personal and trading for a specific target number prop, totally different. 100%. That's correct. It's totally different. Okay, let's go through what do we have here. Trade of 8. There we go. So I have 5 150K Lucid Pro accounts. That's those. I have 5 50K Take Profit Trader evaluation accounts. I have 5 Tradeify 150K Lightning Funded accounts, and I have 20 50K Apex PAs. That's what I have. Those are all of the accounts that I have loaded up right now, ready to go today. That's what we got. So I think like yesterday, I realized just by watching my own stream, I was trying to take way too many trades, and I forget like, you know, there's no real benefit to doing that. It's better to kind of be much more patient. I need to kind of mix and blend what I was doing with my live account into these prop firm accounts and stop trying to like get the day done or whatever this was in my head. So which one is your main focus for a payout? Apex, because I want to have, the ultimate goal is to get those out of the trailing drawdown and then trade them. So the way that I look at it is this. If I get my Apex 50K PAs out of the drawdown, every single trade that I take, if I put on one single contract, is like trading 20 contracts in a live account. Now, let's just say that I get them out of the drawdown and they all have like a $5,000 buffer. Well, that's the equivalent of me trading a $100,000 real live account. But I just have to get to that point first, right? It's the same thing as me trading a $100,000 live account if I have each account with a $5,000 drawdown. The crazy part about it is that because I can trade 10 minis per account, that's the equivalent of being able to trade 200 contracts, which I don't think I've ever put on 200 contracts. I mean, I've had 2 100 contract positions on simultaneously, but I've never put on 200 minis. So obviously would never do that. But I'd have to go back to last year when I started my live account with $100,000 in it and think back to how many contracts I was trading. It was like not that many. I think like it was in the range between like 5 and 15 contracts. And so if I press one mini and that's already in 20 contracts, I feel like I'm already doing the wrong thing. So I think I have to trade like however, I have to calculate however many micros that is to equate to, you know, maybe trading, you know, 3 micros per clip, something like that. Yeah, it was like 5 to 12 contracts, something like that. So if we can get out, I'm hoping that it's, you know, it's possible. But if we can get out of the trailing drawdown of those Apex accounts, then we can start trading it like we traded the account last year. So all prop firm accounts are basically evaluation accounts, all simulated capital. Do you plan to move forward with the live account once you get it, or what do you plan to do there? Yeah, I mean, of course. This first quarter or first few weeks of the year are all about trading props, and I just want to see how it's a new challenge. It's a whole new game, you know? Would your strategy be different during the time to getting your buffer static? Yeah, 100%. Of course. $100%. So we are chopping around. We're waiting for PPI to come out. Check over in silver. It's pulling back a little bit. Gold also kind of wiggle dicking here. So I think our focus should be on the NQ. How many people downloaded the RIPS levels, the key levels indicator? Drop a W in chat if you got that going on your trading view. I like how it marks out all of the sessions here. It's really nice. Clear distinction between all the settings, or the sessions. Here, let me turn on all of the goods here. There we go. Bang. So yeah, you can see this is the RIPS key levels. Bang. There we go. Save that. Bam. So yesterday we put in a yearly high. It'd be interesting to see if we're going to go after these lows today, or if we're just gonna remain having like this inside price action that we've been having. Also, you know, if these labels are too distracting for you, you can change these to medium-sized text, make them smaller. You can even go small-sized text if you want to on those. Right? Lots of ways to configure it to fit whatever you're looking for. But yeah, once PPI is out, we'll see if the markets are interested in trading. You know, there's been many times last year, I wouldn't say many, but a decent amount of times where we actually went no trade. I want to think about these accounts in the same way that I was trading my live account and see if that can be helpful. Gambling some points. You just like it better than Spaceman BTC? Well, on Spaceman BTC, we don't get these beautiful sessions, right? Spaceman BTC, we don't get these beautiful sessions shaded for us. You know what I mean? That's a key distinction between Spaceman BTC and, of course, RIPS keys levels. It's much better. If Spaceman had this, we'd still be using Spaceman, but I'm telling you, RIPS key levels, we're up here, baby. Spaceman BTC, it's a little bit lower. The sessions are not showing up for some reason. Well, you have to click show session right here. Bang, 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 bang. You know what I mean? You keep all time sessions on the indicator as is? Yes. You can modify them too if you'd like. Put whatever you want. You can change them to whatever you want. All right, let's do a channel gamble points. Channel points gamble. There we go. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes for this one. $5 minutes. There you go. What would you change them to, Travis? The good news is that you can change them to whatever you want. It's your world, baby. We're just living in it, dog. We just got liquidity. What was that? Trump just said, tell Denmark to get them out of there now. 2 dog sleds won't do it. Only USA. Trump is unhinged. Get those snow dogs out of there. Let's see if we'll actually stay live on YouTube today. We have about 300 people watching. We need 250 likes. We have 37 likes. Boy, you ask a YouTuber to do anything, and I tell you. Looks like I need to adjust an hour later. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? I don't know, man. They're the correct time zones for me. Your mileage may vary. You can do whatever you want. Whichever way the wind blows, up your dress, down your dress, in your bunghole, whatever which way that wind is blowing, my friend, you can do it. Put your back into it. They should make the button bigger on YouTube. I'll let them know. I'll talk to the creator of YouTube. Asia starts at 8 p.m. Eastern. Well, 1800 hours is not 8 p.m. Eastern. The last time I checked, I could be wrong, but if you carry the 1, 6 plus 12 equals 18, ergo 6 p.m. is actually what that means. I could be wrong here. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'm probably wrong. You know, I'm probably wrong. I don't know how to read clocks. I'm not that good at it. I could be wrong. Been playing with it for market trending indicators. What have you been playing with? You said exactly. Oh, goodness. You guys are funny. All right, we got PPI coming out here any minute, in 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Final demand month over month is going to be 0.2. The year over year is going to be 2.7. Those are the numbers we're going to be watching here. Any tips for that move? I mean, we're just looking for how it relates to inflation, really. That's pretty much it. Yeah, Supreme Court today at 10. We talked about that early on, but I don't know. I'm not expecting... Who knows? Maybe they come out and they say something crazy. Who knows? Are you getting in a minute before to the long side? No, I'm not. Did I pass any accounts? I'm thinking yesterday... I don't think so. We just have our Tradeify Lightning funded. Our Tradeify Lightning funded are on day 2 or 3. Not sure. And then we have Lucid Pro accounts. I think those are going to take a little bit of time to pass. Happy belated birthday there, Zorkel. Is that working, by the way? Okay, yeah, it is. How come you picked Pro over evals? The Pro are evals. Direct are the straight to funded. Over Flex, because you can get a massive live account with the Pro accounts. And I feel like they have a static drawdown, I'm pretty sure. They have a daily loss limit, but a static drawdown. I'm pretty sure. Unless I'm high on drugs. Could be. But I'm pretty sure the Lucid Pro accounts have a static drawdown, but a scaling daily loss limit. Right? There's no trailing max drawdown. There's just a daily loss limit that kind of scales with your account. Pretty sure. But max size is 10 contracts per account, so 50 contracts total. Which is a lot. Agree, it is nice. Any thoughts on adding the volume profile? What do you mean? To the indicator? Oh, no, because this one from TradingView, this one from TradingView is the nuts. It's the nuts. Why would we need it? It's the proverbial nuts. I don't trade silver, but does interest rate news affect it much? I think it's a mix of a safe haven as well as... It's a safe haven as well as... what am I trying to say? Safe haven, precious metals are a safe haven to equities. Can we have access to that indicator? You can. It's been posted in chat multiple times, but maybe Ripspod will give you a link just for you, Dips. Maybe, if you ask Ripspod nicely. Aventura. Yeah, get over on Kick. It's way better. Kick is Kick is much, much better. Mucho mejor. Mucho mejor. Maybe we try to scalp this PPI move on Tradeify. Perhaps. Got my hotkeys working. If we do that, or we can do that one. JPM equals SI fuel. In what way? They're long. Remember that they're long in silver. They're not short. Contrary to popular belief, they are not. They are not short silver. How come you have the New York session starting at 7? Well, because there's a pre-open New York session, right? There is a pre-open. Rip's key levels consolidated 2 indicators for me. Nice. Bang! Bang! We need a bang emoji. What do you think is harder to achieve? A 20K payout or getting 40 days of 450 per day? I don't get it. Aren't they the same thing? Throwing me a curveball over here. 6 cons in silver is crazy scary on a 50K. Are you trading minis or micros? Okay, here we go. 10 seconds, everybody. Good luck. I got my hotkeys in my lap, so let's see if we can bang this out. In line with expectations, hotter on the month over month, or sorry, year over year is hotter. In line with the month over month. Count balance out, in line. Retail sales 10% hot, 10 basis points hotter. Same thing with retail sales ex auto, 10 basis points hotter. Not really that crazy. It is trying to break a little bit lower here below the open, but we're bouncing at the point of control. We're back at the point of control right now, so. What's up, Pete? Good to see you in Kick. Silver on the way down, gold bouncing up, it looks like. Did gold have a huge bounce there? Gold bounced off the New York lows. We're at the lower end of this volume shelf now. What is this clicking I keep hearing? There's like something that's like making clicky noises. Wish I knew what it was. I'm annoying. Oh, we're gonna do another bonus hunt today, by the way. You've never been on Kick? Yeah, it's way better. You actually get free channel points to gamble and then spend at the channel point store. If you click that little kiosk or the little bubbles at the bottom of your screen, you can see right there. Dude, this fucking clicking thing is driving me nuts. The hell is that? You ever had a tab open on your computer and you don't know what the fucking sound is coming from? Oh, yeah. How did yesterday's bonus hunt end? You lost if you bet high. If you bet low, you won. Tick strike on financial juice? I mean, it could be, huh? I just throw my computer out the window and make it go away. So we're bouncing at the point of control here. Obviously, no trades. Just didn't look all that juicy to me. I mean, the best trade was obviously shorting from up here. It's doing it again. God, I need to find this tab. What in God's name is it? I will find this tab and I'm going to take it out to lunch. What the hell could it be? I'm gonna go hunting for this Google tab that's open that's drive me up the wall. I'm looking for the speaker. This is ridiculous. This is so dumb. Now we're bouncing and rolling out of bed. Price change algo on Bookmap. We're going for the New York low right now. Let's see if we can take out those lows. I'm gonna put on 3 contracts here. If we can smack those lows in the face, there might be something here for us. If we bounce, I'm just gonna take it off and then retry it. Seeing a lot of liquidity showing up there. Taking that off. A little bit of a bounce. New York low is at 750. The new New York low, not yesterday's. Stops above 770 here. I want to target the earlier low that we put in. Watching for the flush through 760. If we can take out that low. I want to see weakness below 760 here. Boy, it's thick down there. Mega thick. Break it. It's dancing right at 760. S&Ps are showing a little bit of weakness too. Oh my God. Ah! We got jammed on. It still feels super heavy, but we just got blasted on there on that push back up. Let's see if we can get through these 760s. If not, new trade idea will have to come. Market makers are watching the stream. I don't think so. I do not think so. The thing is, S&Ps are still very, very weak. We're just looking for that break lower. Let's try this again. The 60s are everything here. If we can break those 60s, we should get a nice little roll. Watching here as it's popping back up. That rejection back below seems awfully nice. Can we get some follow through, perhaps through 69.70 in the S&Ps as well? That would be ideal. It's fighting. Boy, howdy, is it ever fighting. Can we get that beautiful flush through the 60s? Google, Microsoft, all showing a little bit of weakness here. We have 110 lots at 55. See if it wants to interact with that at all. If not, we're probably going to just get stopped out if this pushes back through these 70s here. Trying to hold for this extension to come back down through the 60s. Let's see if we can get the roll. It is just fluxing between 60s and 70s here. Threatening the break of 55. It's trying. Go on. Just push. Still not going. Trying to get that forceful push through that 60 liquidity. We got caught in some real chop here. It's just fighting both sides. Not want to do it. Help it with your personal account. I know, right? By that time I get it popped open, it'll probably be already through the other side. It's very thin too. Just refusing to touch those 60s for the time being. S&Ps are still weak too. Yeah, touching the 60s. It's trying again. Very range bound here. S&P is very, very weak. Maybe we trade S&Ps. I don't know. Maybe it is just too volatile for what I'm trying to do, but it's very chunky. Just want that little push right through those 60s. S&Ps are showing some strength there at 72. Who loves a 7-handle range at 8:42 in the morning? I know I do. This is lovely. Literally nobody wants to sweep 60s, huh? I know who would want to. You would think it would go down to that 55 lick, too. Probably gonna wick up towards 75, yeah. And then, yeah, we got taken out. Unfortunate. Just trying to nail those 60s. Probably go back down now, but. Do I use VPS? I'm not sure what VPS is. Yeah, it's very, very thin. Very low liquidity. Aha! Here it comes. Now that we've been stopped out. The battle continues. I mean, we just got caught in literally this garbage chop right here. It'll probably go now, right? Probably have to wait for the open. How often do you guys see this on your props? Where it's that, and then it does exactly what you want it to do. It's crazy. It's the one thing that I have to adjust to between like trading. Like, look at this. This is ridiculous. Can't make it up. That's crazy. Like, exact correct read on the market, but that's nuts. Isn't that crazy? That's nuts, dude. The hell? Okay. Fun times. Good stuff. I love it. It's so fun. That is great stuff. Great read on the market, but you can't sustain it because of the video game you're playing. It's absurd. That's so nuts to me. Excuse me. I don't know if it's unlucky, but like I was like, oh, it's probably gonna wick to 75 before it does this. I don't know. Hopefully you guys caught that mega dump. Dude, fucking 40 handle dump there. Ay, ay, ay. Nice work, everybody, if you caught that. You gave up? I would never give up, dude. I was never gonna give up on that position until it literally pulled me out because I hit the daily loss limit. That's ridiculous. Let's see if the unders won. That's just what I'm trying to figure out with props, by the way. I'm trying to figure out how I can navigate through these things. Unders win. There we go. It's tough. Let's see, 906. It's tough, man. It's just different from how I'm used to trading is all. So we'll get through it. We'll figure it out together. All right, there you go. Yeah, I never would have given up on that. Never would have given up on that. May I ask why are you changing that way you used to trade? That's exactly how I used to trade. I mean, that's exactly how I trade. Is like, we're gonna get a dump. I'm adding in at every pop, and then I would have you know, in my real account, I'm not stopping out there, you know? There's no reason to stop out. We're not showing a reason to stop out. I just got pulled out because of my daily loss limit. So, just gonna take some time. It's learning how to play a new game, right? That's what it is. Learning how to play a new video game. It's just gonna take time. Just gonna take time, that's all. That's okay. I got plenty of it. The moves usually happen on the open and close of the 15-minute candle pre-market. The move happened right at 8:45. I believe it. It's just understanding. I'll get there. It's not a big deal. I'll get there. We'll figure it out. What's going on, GC? They're just chopping around. Nothing really crazy there. All right, we got 10 minutes till the top of the hour. 10 more minutes until the top of the hour. YouTubers, 250 likes. We stay alive through the open. There's about 500 people watching on YouTube. We have 125 likes. We might get there today, champs. It's only 250 likes to get there. The indicator is set to whatever time zone you have it at. All right, we are bouncing back up. We are rejecting at the 4-hour open right now. That was just a beautiful setup, pitch and catch there. Just beautiful. Happy for anybody who was able to catch that. Just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely phenomenal. There's a beautiful rejection right there. What's up, Bruno? How are you, buddy? So that right there is just your standard pitch and catch. Whoops, that's not the right thing I'm looking for. Maybe this. There we go. We're trying to find the apex of that trade. The apex of that extension right here, and then a breaking area of that. So combination of the market is going short and we're looking for that bounce point. It really hit the midpoint of liquidity. That's your ideal trade, and then bringing it back down to anything in this area of liquidity here. Bang, 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 bang. It's that volume shelf to that volume shelf. That's what you're looking for right there. That is your standard PNC. Unfortunately, we got wicked out right, there's the thing, right there is where we got wicked out. There it is, right there. We got wicked out at the exact moment that the trade gave us exactly what we wanted. It's a learning experience. Top shelf wicked, exactly right. So there's our new New York low. There's our New York open. There's our New York high. This is, of course, available for anybody. Ribs key levels. Free. You get the question all the time. What is that on your chart? How do you get all those lines? Well, you use Ribs key levels. Tired of learning? Don't be tired of learning. Just take it a day at a time, baby. How do you search on TradingView? You don't need to. Rips mod is gonna see it right above your head, right there. Rips levels. Rips levels indicator. Bang, bang, bang. It is brand new, Straight G. Absolutely brand new. Look at this. Look at all the sessions, everything. It's beautiful. It's brand new, Straight G. Brand new. When did the Rips indicator come out? Came out about an hour ago. Rips, I get where you exit, but I struggled to get you entry model while you enter compared to the moment you were just watching. Well, I mean, when the market is giving us, we're just looking around areas of where the market is trading liquidity, right? So we're looking for volume shelves. If this, where's my drawing tools? If this is your high and we're coming down, we're seeing the market start to fail that, you're wanting to see this area be challenged and see if we can get back up, right? On a flush, that's what you're looking for. You're looking for stronger bids to come back up. But because it does that, it comes back up, you're now looking for shorts because it can't challenge any higher. So you're saying that sellers are now in control. So this is kind of like the area of inference where you're looking for, do sellers have control or not? Because they can't even auction high enough to do that, I'm looking for that to short. This flushes down again, and when you're looking for two areas to open a short from, I opened mine too early because I'm still trying to figure out the prop thing, but here, or here are all areas that you're looking to open up a short into. It's pretty much denying the shorts above this level. Anything above that level is denying the shorts. So idealistically, ideally, you're looking for here or the break of maybe that area for a short here. Either one. But you're just following the flow. You can see like we basically reversed at this low point of liquidity because this is the whole thick shelf here. There's micro shelves within that, you know, here, here, here. You're just trading around the liquidity. That's it. What's your indicator difference to key levels suite? I don't know what key level suite is, but we have the sessions on ours. All of the sessions shaded and marked out. What's up, Jaywell? Good morning. Which volume indicator uses? Visible range volume profile. VRVP, built into TradingView. We are just stair-stepping down here. How can I get the indicator? It's been posted in chat about 63 times this morning, but let's make it 64. Ripsmod, if you would, please. Trade Flows needs the indicator. 64th time is the charm. Let's try 64 times. I can't wait for time 65. There it is. There's the 64th time. When we get to 69, I'll be very happy. Oh, there we go. Ripsmod, get him. See, it's not me. What about 6-7? That's a good one. So let's see, what are we gonna trade off the open? Trade of fire locked out for the day. That's lovely. We got take profit traders. These are on day 3, I think, or this is day 4. Let me see. I don't know which day these are on. Let me see. These are on day... Today's day 3 on these. Dude, this clicking is still here, and I wish I knew what it was from. I can just close Windows, I suppose. Not there. It's none of those. Going through every single one of my tabs here. No idea. I can't find it. I'm in clicky hell right now. Jesus. Like trying to see what fucking tab is doing that. We are bouncing back up here. Maybe it's like people liking my script or something. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe it's TradingView making a noise every single time somebody likes my script. Maybe that's what it is. Huh. That would make sense, I guess. Why are you back on YouTube? It is that. Aha, we figured it out. That's what it is. Aha. How do you mute that? That's exactly what it is. How do you mute that? I'm using the TradingView app, not the site. Let me look it up. Mute TradingView. Oops. That's exactly what it is, though. You see this little, I guess you can't really see it, but it's this, there's an alerts thing right here. That's what it is. I was like wondering what the fuck it is. I've never heard that sound before, but it's people that are liking the Rips level script. I'm glad we figured it out. It's driving me fucking crazy. Windows, it's a Windows computer. Right click the tab. I mean, it's not a tab, it's just, it's the actual app. I thought there was a way to mute it in Trading View. Trading View, notification, sound. Why is there no like? Huh. I don't know. I guess we'll have to live with the clicking noise for the rest of our lives. I'll just mute the app itself from the volume mixer. There we go, solved. Alrighty. So all that we've traded so far is our Tradeify accounts, and we got schmeckled, unfortunately. We got wicked out at the very top of the extension. Where is it? I want to show this. This is the only trade that we took today so far. Those bastards. It's just crazy. I mean, obviously I was really leveraged into the trade, but what are you gonna do? So that's our trading experience so far this morning. Good read, too much leverage, and bad timing. Photo finish for 906. Let's see. What was it? It was 750. Okay, yeah, it is a photo finish. It is going to be the unders, right? Yeah, no, wait, hold on. The aboves, the overs. Wait, the overs win this? Hold on, the overs win, right? No way. The overs win? By 13 points? Not by a hair, it's by 13 points. Huh? Wow, okay, all right. I was about to pay the unders. There you go, overs win. Let's do another one. Let's keep the party bus rolling. Let's do 946. All right, there you go. 10 minutes. 946 is the call. Size is gonna be your worst enemy, Rips. Yeah, I know, I gotta adjust. It's just gonna take me some time. I just have to adjust, that's all. It's just gonna take me some time. And that's all we got. We got plenty of time. I'm in no rush. Like last year was a phenomenal year for me. I'm in absolutely no rush. This is sort of like some time away from trading the personal account, and why not do it on props, and why not do it with everybody transparently? See if we can figure this out all together, you know? I have these Lucid Pro accounts. If we continue this weakness under this 750 level, I want to try to target this all the way down to 730. Right now we have on 4 contracts per. I want to add on to bounces. Oh, thank you for that, D. Frank. Add on to any bounces that we get towards 750 here. And then if we can clear below that 4-hour open. There we go. We're right now bouncing at that 4-hour open. See how heavy this bounces. Try to target this this liquidity that's below that 730 level. Watching here on this pushback up. Again, weakness through 750 is everything that we're looking for here. We bounced at the 4-hour open, so I want to try to add up towards 750 here. Adding right there. And then I want to add 2 more here at 750. Right there. Okay. We are in this position now. We're targeting 730 on the lows here. Where is that? 7 there. So we're targeting like right there is where we're targeting. These are Lucid Pro accounts. Let me see the screenshot that you have in chat here. Somebody said trading videos, go to your username, top left corner, click it. Let's see. Choose your username. Go to settings and billing. Okay. And go to social notifications. Wait, where's the sound? Is there one for sound? Oh, here we go. Hear a sound when notifications arrive. Okay, thank you. We fixed it. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. All right, so we're just holding right around 750 right now. And I can unmute it. There we go. Perfect. Cool. We're all set now. Oh. So that's the trade we have set up. 726. Which is better, Rips key levels or Spaceman BTC? I think you know the answer to that question. Come on. Everybody knows the answer to that question. Rips key levels is the nuts, dude. That's the one. Let's see if we can get this weakness all the way down to 726 here. That breakthrough 740 will be extra juiced. It's going for it. What do you say we get the juice on this one? With props, it's all about the timing, the size, like to play an imaginary land. Got it. We are 18 minutes from the open here. 18 minutes from the open. We are just targeting that liquidity at 726 right now. Do you want current year high on your chart? I have it on my chart, yes. I have everything like that enabled in the Rips key levels. I have all of the boxes checked, if you're asking. Every single box is checked. So we're looking for this to make a new New York low right now. We want to see weakness falling through that 740 area. Why bet on a break out of balance and not bet on staying in balance? Because we want to catch the momentum here to the downside. That sweep of those levels lower. 740 is going to give us a clear picture on that. Still some sellers showing up here. Also, the break of 69.69 giggity in the S&Ps would be exactly what we're looking for. I'll be right back. Let's see if this trade plays out while I'm away taking a leak. Be right back. Oh, snap. We're back. And that didn't work. Damn. What a bummer. What happened? NQ just went straight to the sky, unfortunately. So 2 losing trades so far today. Ah, well. What are you going to do? Again, this is a learning experience. Oh, does anybody know on Quantower? I've never used Quantower before, but does Quantower allow you to have like dragging stops and trading and copy trading? Like, is it like copy trading with like, is it dope? Maybe we try that on stream too. We can try anything. Quantower sucks. I think you're in the minority there. So I'm wondering maybe we could do Quantower. I'm just wondering, like, maybe the answer to all of this is, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I don't know. We're figuring it out. It's also like that type of trade right there where I leave that on. That's not really like my style, but then I'm like trying to adapt my style for these props. So again, we're going to learn this day by day. This is only what, day 3 of this challenge. This is day 3 of this challenge right now. The challenge of trading prop firms. it's so crazy. Wealth charts is too slow for what I'm looking to do, and that's only on Apex. So it's just too slow. Too slow for what I'm looking for. Yeah, Quan Tower, I think, is the hot ticket. Maybe that's what we try doing on here. Is there any props that don't allow you to use Quan Tower? Is it just rhythmic? Like, is Quan Tower... No. Is Quan Tower rhythmic, or is it... I'm not sure. CQG, maybe? I don't know. I do not know. I have no idea. It's rhythmic, DX feed, and CQG? Okay. You had a poor connection with Quantower and Apex. Interesting. Quantower, you could use both. And they have a built-in copier that works with brackets. Like, so let me ask you this. And before you answer. So if I'm short one contract, and I have a stop that has one contract and a TP that has one contract, we have 1, 1, and 1. And then I add to that position, so now I have 2 contracts. Do the brackets automatically update? And does all of that copy if you're copying accounts? No, yeah, see, this is where it's... No, they don't. Yes, they do. Yeah. You guys are the best. What can I say? We have the best community. Ah! I tried to slow the question down so we could actually get like a real answer, and it's like, yes, yes, no, 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 yes, 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 no, 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 yes, yes, no. You guys are the best. What can I say? The copy trader, thank you. Psycho Captain says the bracket updates, but the copy trader doesn't work with brackets. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. That's the correct answer I was looking for. That was the one. Wee, 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 wee. Wee, 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 wee. Get ding, 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 ding. Have you ever used Rhythmic's built-in copier? I don't think so. I'm trying to think what we should trade off the open, if anything. If we should just try to be patient? I don't know. I'm so used to like trading the open in my live account. And just, I don't know. I hope that I don't step away from too long from like trading the open. I don't know. I feel like trading props off the open is just not a good plan. What do we have here? Take profit trader, don't really care about it because it's day 3. Tradeify are waxed. Apex or PAs, we gotta be extra fucking careful with those bad doggers. Ninja Trader does what you're looking for with Replicano or affordable indicators. What about if I use TradeSyncer? Does TradeSyncer work with Ninja Trader's brackets or no? Well, everybody's just gonna say yes, no, no, yes, yes, no. Yes, no, yes, yeah. Oh, by the way, we're doing our Yeet raffle today. Fuck yeah, I forgot about that. We're doing the Yeet raffle and we're doing another bonus hunt today. You need a bigger buffer if you want to trade the open, which is what you have with your live account, but not so much in prop accounts. I mean, the thing is like, last year I was never really drawing down that much in positions. Like you would hear me say like, oh, I'm looking at this and then I take it. And then you see the executions on the screen. It's like, never really drawing down all that much. I don't know, maybe still like a spotty market right now. I don't know. Or I'm just trading like ass. It's one of the three. Pick your favorite flavor of ice cream. 7 minutes till the open. Let's see if we got 250 likes on YouTube. We should, right? 195. What a shame. All right, YouTubers, we tried. We all tried. What can I say? I'll see you folks over on Kick. We're going to stream there for probably another 3 hours, depending on how long the bonus hunt takes too. But I'll see you folks over on Kick. Take care on YouTube. See you folks tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in.